Hi friends, welcome back to the Vincent AI channel. I'm Emily, and I'll be guiding you through today's video. Have you ever wanted to create jaw-dropping videos without paying a dime, and then turn them into crystal clear 4K clips that look like they came straight out of a professional studio? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? But today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step. To do that, we're going to head over to a platform called Qwen. When you land on their site, you'll notice it asks you to either sign up or log in. Don't worry, it's totally free.
And the sign-up process takes less than a minute. Once you're inside, you'll see a really clean interface. Nothing complicated. From here, click on the More option and select Video Generation. This is where the fun starts. The way this tool works is simple. You type in a text prompt, and the AI generates a video for you based on that description. Think of it like giving the AI your storyboard in words. For example, I'll type in something like, "A peaceful countryside meadow in spring, filled with colorful wildflowers and butterflies dancing in the air." Next, you'll need to pick your aspect ratio. So whether you want this video to be 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok or Shorts, you can set that here. Once that's done, hit the Generate button and just wait a few seconds. The AI gets to work and boom, your video is ready. Let's play it back. Look at this. The AI actually nailed the mood pretty well. But here's the problem. The quality isn't that great. It might be around 720p, sometimes even less. And if you want to post something that looks professional, say on YouTube or Instagram, this won't cut it. So here's where the magic happens. We're going to take this low-resolution video and transform it into a 4K masterpiece using a tool called Wondershare Uniconverter. If you've never used it before, think of it as an all-in-one video toolbox, like having a mini editing studio right on your laptop. It's got everything: AI-powered video enhancement, watermark removal, even batch processing so you can upgrade multiple videos at the same time. Let me show you. First, download Wondershare Uniconverter from their official website. I'll drop the link in the description below. Once you install and open it, you'll see a sleek dashboard with all the AI tools laid out. There are sections for audio, video, even image editing. For now, click on the Video tab and then choose Video Enhancer. This is where we'll fix our clip. Now, click to upload your low-resolution video. Once it's loaded in, Uniconverter's AI gives you several enhancement options: quality restoration, face enhancement, anime enhancement, general video denoise, frame interpolation, you name it. For this example, I'll select quality restoration to sharpen and upscale the video. Before exporting, you can preview a short snippet to see how the upgraded version will look. Once you're happy, click Export All and let the AI do its thing. What it's actually doing is analyzing each frame, reducing noise, sharpening edges, and boosting resolution. After a few moments, the process is complete. And just look at the difference. Our peaceful countryside video is now full 4K, crystal clear, ready to use anywhere. Now imagine you've generated not just one, but a whole batch of videos. Instead of enhancing them one by one, Uniconverter lets you process up to 20 at the same time. That's a game changer for creators who need to work fast.
And here's another huge feature: watermark removal. You know, when you download or generate videos, sometimes they have that annoying watermark stuck in the corner. It makes the whole thing look unprofessional. Uniconverter solves this too. Go to the watermark remover section, upload your video, and choose the AI model. Then just highlight the watermark area using a simple box tool. Once you hit export, the AI analyzes the background and replaces the watermark area with the surrounding pixels. It's like digital magic. It's as if the watermark never existed.
All right, let's add one more option to the list because I know some of you might prefer something that works directly on your phone or desktop without having to dig too deep. And that's CapCut Video Enhancement. You've probably heard of CapCut since it's one of the most popular free video editors out there, especially for TikTok and YouTube Shorts creators. But what a lot of people don't realize is that CapCut also has a built-in AI video enhancer that can upscale your clips and make them look way sharper. First, open up CapCut. You can use the desktop version or the mobile app. Once you create a new project, just import the video you want to enhance. From here, go into the Adjust or Enhance section depending on your version. CapCut gives you a few different AI tools, but the one we want is called Enhance Quality. All you have to do is toggle it on and CapCut will automatically run its AI to improve your clip. You can choose to upscale to 1080p or even 4K depending on your export settings. The AI sharpens the image, reduces noise, and balances out the lighting without you having to manually tweak anything. Once you're happy, hit export. Just make sure you select 4K resolution in the export settings. CapCut will process the video and deliver a higher quality version that looks way more professional. The best part? You can do this completely free, and since it's CapCut, it integrates perfectly with other editing features, so you can enhance, cut, add text, and export all in one workflow.
So now you've got two solid ways to turn a basic, low-res clip into something that looks polished. Wondershare UniConverter and CapCut Video Enhancement. Whether you prefer a desktop software suite, a lightweight online AI tool, or an easy mobile editor, you've got options.
So now you've seen the full workflow. Generate a free video with Quinn, upscale it into stunning 4K with UniConverter, and clean it up by removing watermarks, all using AI. It's a process that looks complicated at first, but once you try it, you'll see how simple it actually is. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to The Vincent AI for more tutorials just like this, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of videos you're planning to create with these tools. I'd love to hear your ideas.